Have you ever wondered how much liquid you lose when you sneeze? What if I told you sneezing is just nature's way of giving you a mini shower? Yep, it's true. Every sneeze can launch up to 100,000 droplets into the air. On average, a person can lose up to 1 liter of liquid a day from sneezing and a runny nose. This includes liquid expelled during sneezes and mucus from nasal passages. Imagine carrying a small water bottle. That's how much liquid your body can lose in a day. So next time you sneeze and sniffle, remember to stay hydrated. Your body works hard to keep you healthy, one sneeze at a time. Gesundheit.